Alright boys, we're back at the same job yesterday that I did this spout at. We have two toilets that are both leaking and loose at the base. Didn't have time for it yesterday, so we're back today. Shut the water off, flush the tank of all the water, suck the bowl. Just broke up the shit to pull this up. We're looking hella low. Holy shnikey. It's not looking good. Way too low. So that's gonna be pretty clutch right there. Nice and flush with the floor here. This is kinda gonna be the finished product here. I got this wax warming up. So I got that wax warming up. We'll get these Johnny bolts on there. I have to cut these out because they keep spinning. Alright, that's the final for this one. Just a jumbo wax. And some new John bolts.